बात तो कटिंग कुटिंग है ना। चलो चलो बोलिए। Okay. A warm good morning to all of you present over here for Science Quiz. I, Satish Kumar, and my co-host, Madam Manpreet Kaur, welcome you all in the quiz competition on the behalf of Team Bhainadala Public School. That is the game of mind, intelligence, interest, power, and joy. But before entering into this wonderful quiz, let me introduce our technical head, Sardar Gurpreet Singh, lecturer accounts, scorer, Mr. Rahul Gautam, lecturer chemistry, Madam Paramjot Kaur, lecturer IT and computer department. And our teams are team members, team A, Ishpreet Kaur, class 9th, Amanjot Kaur, class 10th, Damanpreet Kaur, class 11th, Hanish Sani, class 12th. And team B, Dipanshu Chabla, class 9th, Sehazleen Kaur, 10th, Pragarti, 11th, Auram Joshi, 12th. Team C, Simranjeet Kaur, class 9th, Jasmine, class 10th, Nivodit, class 11th, Sanya Uppal, class 12th. And team D, Parminder Kaur, class 9th, Daljit Singh, 10th, Kuljit Singh, 11th, and Sahil Preet Kaur, 12th. We know that you all are excited and curious about this competition, but hold your heart for some time and let's have a glance at competition. The competition will be conducted in 4 rounds. Each right answer award you 5 marks. I repeat, each right answer award you 5 marks, and you have 35 seconds to answer. In case of any conflict, we will discuss it later on offline. I repeat, in case of any conflict, we will discuss it later on offline. Aurum?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, without wasting much time, let's move towards the quiz competition with hope for the best. As the participants are here with full of passion, energy, excitement, and enthusiasm. So let's start with first round. So dear participants, cross your fingers, throw your tension, and lead yourself for win. So are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All ready? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here is the first round, and give a big hand for participants. Sir, with your permission. So the first question for team A is on your screen. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as, your options are pasteurization, fermentation, decomposition, none of these. Your time starts now.
Fermentation.
Fermentation. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fermentation. So option B. Oh, it's a right answer. The next question for team B is on your screen. In pasteurization, the milk is heated to about. In pasteurization, the milk is heated to about. Option A, 100 degrees Celsius. Option B, 50 degrees Celsius. Option C, 70 degrees Celsius. Option D, 110 degrees Celsius. Your time starts now.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Are you sure?
Sir, I have to discuss. Dipanshu, is it sure?
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be
Please.
100?
Let me confirm you.
Be fast,
In
beta.
pasteurization, the milk is
Sir,
heated to
option
about
C.
Option C. Option C. Okay. Let me check. Oh, absolutely right. Option C is correct. The next question for team C is on your screen. The question is XU. XU stands for X-ray unit. XU stands for X-ray unit. Is the unit of dash. Option A, speed. B, X-ray. C, length. D, mass. Your time starts now.
Sir, B, X-ray.
Are you sure? If you want to discuss your
Yes, sir.
teammates, you can.
X-ray.
Sir, B option is correct.
Option B. Sania, you are the group leader.
Yes, sir, B.
Option B. Okay, let me check. Oh, so sorry. It's length. The answer is length. And the value of one X-ray unit is 10⁻⁻13 meters. The next question for team D is on your screen. The gas produced when metals react with dilute acid is option A, nitrogen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, oxygen. Option D, hydrogen. Your time starts now.
Option D, hydrogen.
Take your time. Take your time. Option D,
Hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
hydrogen.
Option D.
Sahil, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Option D, hydrogen. Absolutely right. Okay. The next question for team A on your screen. A spring balance is used for measuring option A, mass. Option B, weight. Option C, pressure. Option D, speed.
Sir, mass.
Time starts now.
Option B, weight.
Option B,
Weight.
are you sure?
Option B,
Yes.
weight.
Yes, B. B, weight.
The B
Sir, B.
option.
Okay. Option B. Absolutely right, beta. Okay, the next question for team B is on your screen. A ball rolling on the ground slows down and finally stops. This is because of your options are force, less force applied, C, friction, option D, none of the above. All these options,
friction.
option A, B, C are very close to each other. Okay,
C,
your time
friction.
starts now.
Sir,
C,
C, friction.
friction.
C, friction.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes.
Okay. Option C, friction. Oh, absolutely right answer. The next question for team C is on your screen. Which of the following is a bad conductor of electricity? I repeat, which of the following is a bad conductor of electricity? Your options are distilled water, silver nitrate, sulfuric acid means H2SO4, and aqueous copper sulfate. Your time starts now.
Sir, distilled water.
Distilled water. Are you sure, Sania?
No.
Yes, sir, sure. But yes, A answer.
Option A, distilled water. Okay. Absolutely right answer, beta. Distilled water. The next question for team D is on your screen. Which star is nearest to Earth? Option A, Orion, Pole Star, Cassiopeia, Orion, Sun. Your time starts now.
Sun.
Sun. Sahil, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
If you want to
D,
discuss
Sun.
with your team,
Any idea?
you can. Okay. Can I log option D, Sun?
Yes.
Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Absolutely right answer. So, first round up now, guys. Okay. How did you find the questions? Aurum,
Yes, sir.
how did you find the questions?
So from studying in classes, there was a lot of knowledge about these sort of stuff. And
Okay, were they interesting, Daman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Were they easy? Sania?
Yes, sir. They were a bit easy and interesting questions.
Okay. Now we have the results ready for the first round. Team A, 10 marks. Team B, 10 marks. Team C, 5 marks. And Team D, 10 marks. So now, are you ready for the second round? Shall we start now?
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep in mind that clock doesn't wait for anyone. So the first question of second round for team A is on your screen. A body of mass 4 kg. When a force of 200 Newton act on it, produces an acceleration of, your options are 30 meter per second, option B 40 meter per second, option C 50 meter per second, option D 100 meter per second. Your time starts now.
Sir, option C, 50 meter per second square.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Absolutely right answer. For team B, your next question is on your screen. Which of the following is seldom responsible for cracking of rocks? Option A, covalent bonds. Option B, hydrogen bond. Option C, metallic bond. Option D, ionic bond. Your time starts now.
A covalent bonds.
Are you sure?
So let me discuss it with my team. a
Okay,
bit.
take your time. If you want time, you must make it.
Anybody has any idea? No. So please look A covalent bond.
Log A, covalent bond. Oh, so sorry. Better luck next time, Aurum. Hydrogen bond. So the next question for next team, team C, is on your screen. In which solvent is common salt double? Your options are ether, benzene, water, kerosene. Your time starts now. Be fast. Be fast, beta.
Is anyone knows the answer?
I think kerosene.
Kerosene. Are you sure?
No, sir. Ether.
Oh, time over. So sorry. So the next question is the answer of this question is water. Okay, the next question for team C. Sorry, team D. The expand form of DNA is option A, D-ribose nucleic acid, oxyribose nucleic acid, deoxyribose nucleic acid, deoxynucleic acid. Your time starts now.
Option C,
Option C.
deoxyribonucleic acid.
Option C, deoxyribonucleic.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Option C.
sir.
Okay. Absolutely right answer. Deoxynucleic acid. The expansion or the full form of DNA is deoxynucleic acid. The next question for team A is on your screen. Which of the following are made use of to open the tightened lid of the bottle? Your options are superficial expansion, thermal expansion, linear expansion, cubical expansion. All the options are very close. Your time starts now.
Daman, do you have any idea?
No.
Made use to open the tightened lid of bottle.
Sir, option B, thermal expansion.
Can I log it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Option B, thermal expansion. Let me check. Absolutely right answer, thermal expansion. Okay, the next question for team B is on your screen. The stage in which the storage of food and synthesis of material takes place inside the cell just before the cell division is called. Your options are telophase, option B, prophase, option C, inner phase, option D, metaphase. Your time starts now.
Anybody from the
Anybody?
team has?
Answer please.
Aurum bhaiya, if you have any idea of this question.
Not really. I would
Time
go
going
with
on.
D. Sir, lock D.
D,
Metaphase.
metaphase.
C.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So sorry, it's inner phase. Okay, the next question for team C is on your screen. Lactobacillus is used for option A, setting of curd, option B, baking of bread, option C, fixing nitrogen, option D, producing antibodies. Your time starts now.
Sir, option A, setting of curd.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Option A, setting of curd. Absolutely right answer. Okay, the next question for team D is on your screen. Momentum of a body depends upon its option A, mass and acceleration, option B, mass and velocity, option C, mass and force, option D, mass and time. Your time starts
Sir,
now.
D.
Option B, mass and
Option
velocity.
B, mass and
Mass and
velocity.
velocity.
Mass and velocity. Option B.
Velocity.
Are you sure?
Velocity.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's the right answer. Mass and velocity. So, second round up now. So keep in mind that clock doesn't wait for anyone. I repeat, keep in mind that clock doesn't wait for anyone. If you want time, you must make it. So let's move towards the round thirds. The first question for team A is on your screen. Up to which element the law of octaves was found to be applicable? Your options are oxygen, option B, calcium, option C, cobalt, option D, potassium. Your time starts now.
Daman, do you have any idea about it? I guess it's cobalt or calcium.
Are you sure?
So wait, let me discuss. Anybody from my group?
Okay, take your time.
No, I have no idea about.
So
There is no
Sir.
negative marking.
I think C.
C. Sir, cobalt. C, cobalt.
Okay, C, cobalt. Oh, calcium. You are right, Hanish. Okay, next question for team B is on your screen. When the temperature of a pure metallic conductor is increased, then what happened to the resistance? Your options are decreased, increased. Option C, may increase or decrease. Option D, remain same. Your time starts now.
Dipanshu, you answer?
Just a minute.
Okay, very easy.
I think it increases with temperature.
I think decreases.
So choose
Are
one.
you sure?
I think C.
C.
Or answer, please.
Sir, B.
B increase.
Are
Sir,
you
B
sure?
local. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are right. When we increase temperature of a conductor, then its resistance increase. But in case of semiconductors, if we increase the temperature, then resistance of semiconductors decreases. Okay, the next question for team C is on your screen. Which one of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Your options are pond, crop field, lake, forest. Your time starts now.
Sir, option B.
Option B. Are you sure?
D.
Yes, sir.
Crop field. Sanya?
Sir, are you sure D है?
Yes, crop field is a artificial. हम उसे उगाते हैं.
Okay. Can I log it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Crop field. Absolutely right answer. Okay. The next question for team D. On your screen, electrical resistivity of a given metallic wire depends upon option A, its length, its thickness, its shape, nature of the material. Your time starts now. Electrical resistivity depends on length, thickness, shape, or nature of the material. Your answer,
Anybody
please.
knows the answer?
I think it's length.
D.
Are you sure?
Sahil?
I think it's D.
Sahil, answer, please.
Length.
Yes, D.
Okay, option B. Oh, sorry, option A, length. Nature of the material, resistivity of a material does not depend upon the dimensions of a conductor because it is the internal property of the material. It only depends upon the nature of the material. It doesn't depend upon length, area, etc. Okay, the next question for team A is on your screen. Magnification produced by rear view mirror fitted in the vehicles. Option A, less than 1. Option B is more than 1. Option C, equal to 1. Option D, all the above. Your time starts now. Answer, please,
I
team
think
A.
all above.
Anybody?
All of the above.
I think
I think not sure.
I guess it's less than one, but anyone, can you please help me out?
Hanish,
I think B.
Hanish,
Are you
answer
sure?
please.
Sorry,
A, less than 1. Right answer is less than 1. Why? Because the mirror used for large field view. Okay, the next question for team B. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light when light from a point source is incident on it? Option A, concave mirror as well as convex lens. Option B, convex mirror as well as concave lens. Option C, two plane mirrors placed at 90 degree to each other. Option D, concave mirror as well as concave lens. Your time starts now.
I believe it is B. Anybody from the team knows the answer? Dipanshu?
Answer please.
Sir, please look B.
B, convex mirror as well as concave lens.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's concave mirror as well as convex lens. Okay, the next question for next team, team C is on your screen. Slug is the unit of dash. Force, area, mass, time. Your time starts now.
Anyone knows the answer?
It's maybe mass.
Are you sure?
Anyone?
Group captain, please answer.
I'll go with my team.
Yes?
I'll go with my team.
Okay, mass. Option C. Absolutely right answer, beta. Mass. And one slug is equal to 14.57 kg. One slug is equal to 14.57 kg. The next question for team D. In a food chain, the third trophic level is always occupied by carnivores, herbivores, decomposers, producers. Your time starts now.
Option A.
Option A, are you sure?
Option A, carnivore.
Carnivores. Absolutely right answer. Okay, so third round up now. Third round up now. Okay, now we are heading towards fourth round, which is the last one. So first question for team A is on screen, is on your screen. What is the molecular mass of calcium carbonate? 100 U. U stands for atomic mass unit. Option B, 75 units. Option C, 90 units. Option D, 120 units. Your time starts now.
100 units.
100 units.
sir.
Are you sure?
What?
Okay, your answer absolutely right. Okay, the next question for team B is on your screen. What is the bond order in nitrogen? Option A 1, B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Your time starts now. Do it
The
fast.
C3.
Option C. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right answer. The next question for team C is on your screen. Which ion has the highest hydration enthalpy? Your options are lithium ion, sodium ion, option C, potassium ion, option D,
Lithium ion.
cesium ion.
Lithium ion.
Are you sure?
Lithium. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Lithium ion.
option D is correct. Cesium. Sorry, option D.
Sir,
Oh,
lithium.
lithium. Okay,
तो
okay,
मैंने
okay.
lithium बोला है.
Okay, 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 okay. Right answer,
Yes,
right
sir.
answer. Option A is right answer. Sorry, Sanya. Okay, the next question for
Sir,
team.
I said lithium. Sir, मैंने lithium बोला था.
Okay, you are right. Next
Yes,
question
sir.
for team. Next question for team D. What is the shape of SF4? Option A, tetrahedral, square planar, seesaw, octahedral. Your time starts now. Full form of SF.
Square planar B.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
It's a sulfur tetrafluoride. Sulfur tetrafluoride. Okay. Are you sure? Option B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's the wrong answer. The correct answer is seesaw. The next question for team A is on your screen. Which of the following has smallest atomic radii? Option A, beryllium. Option B, boron. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, fluorine. Your time starts now. Do it fast.
D.
Option D.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? D, fluorine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Absolutely right answer. For team B, next question on your screen. Which of the following has positive inductive effects? Alkyl group. Option B, nitro group. Option C, halogen group. Option D, cyanide group. Your time starts now. Please do it fast. Team B.
Sir, A.
Sir,
alcohol.
alkali group A.
Option.
Sir, A group.
Option A,
Alkyl.
alkyl group.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely right answer. The next question for team C is on your screen. Which one is better team? Which one is better term to express concentration? Option A, molarity. Option B, molality. Option C, normality. Option D, volume percentage. Your time starts now.
Option B, molality. B for boy.
B for boy. Okay, molality. Absolutely right answer. The next question for team D is on your screen. The most abundant element in the universe is nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. Your time starts now.
A. Nitrogen.
I repeat, abundant element in the universe. Universe. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Absolutely right answer. Option C is right answer. Okay, now the fourth round up now. As said by one of the greatest philosophers, the only good is knowledge and the only evil is ignorance. So I would like to thank our respected principal sir, Sardar Satnam Singh ji, and my colleagues, and especially all of you dear students to be a part of this quiz. I must say that performance of all the teams was wonderful, magnificent, even marvelous. Your scores will be ready and announced by Madam Manpreet Kaur. Over to Manpreet ma'am. Please ma'am.
Yes, students. Team A scored 35 marks. Team B scored 25. Team C 30 marks. And Team D also 30 marks. So there is tie between Team C and D. Both scored 30 marks.
First, second, third.
Okay. First is Team A. And second is Team C and D. Both are second. And third is Team B. Yes, now I request our worthy principal sir to please address our participants with their valuable words. Principal sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you.
Morning,
Students, teachers.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, really. We have conducted this science quiz in the time of pandemic, COVID-19, through virtual. So wonderful participation. I was looking, so okay, you are curious. You are about school activity. You know, you have participated very well. And I would like to thank all the team, those have prepared the students and those have prepared technically sport. So Mr. Satish, Madam Manpreet, Madam Sandeep, Madam Pooja, Mr. Rahul. So wonderful. You have done good job. And especially thanks to Mr. Gurpreet Singh. Those have, I think it will not easy for us to complete this whole quiz if technical support not by the Mr. Gurpreet Singh. So thanks once again. Wonderful. I would like to announce one thing here for the science quiz, that a special gift will be there for the winners. First of all, all the team is sitting here and listening, and all the students are listening. Please give a big hand to the team A. Those are the winner of today's science quiz. Give a big hand. It should be. Thank you. Thank you. So I would like to congratulate team A and team C. I think team C and D, they are second,
Yes,
and
sir.
team B third. Okay, so tie is there between C and D. Good, very good. I was observing that a wonderful preparation by the students. Okay, in future, I will try to make such type of activities to conduct, whether school open or not open, doesn't matter. We have the technology of such type, we can conduct these types of activity. Thank you very much to all the students, teachers, and all other persons, those have give their
Okay, sir.
assistance to us.
Thank you so much,
thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. So in the end, I would like to thank our worthy principal, sir, who gave us such a wonderful opportunity to organize the quiz. I would also like to mention the efforts made by our all team members, especially Rahul sir, Sandeep ma'am, Maninder ma'am, and once again, congratulate all the participants who take